Get away from politics and actually talk about the most unloved bull market since time began. First of all, is there exuberance in this market?
Sure, Tom, there's definitely exuberance. I think, though, that we're more like on the base camp of climbing a bubble mountain. I think that we've clearly come a ways, but as those of us that are old enough to remember 97 and 99 know, you can go a lot further than we've already been.
Within the value and the growth, everybody's focused on value and value trap. Nobody ever talks about, and you're great at this, the growth trap, where you don't believe, to borrow, to steal from Mr. Colbert, you don't believe in growthiness or truthiness. There's a truthiness that growth continues, right?
Oh, yeah, there definitely is, Tom. And so you see the bubble starting to form in stocks like Netflix and Tesla.
I got to get out.
Yeah. But, you know, there's a bunch of tech stocks that are getting expensive but still have strong growth behind them so long as we don't go into a recession, like an Oracle. And things like that, I think value managers would be foolish not to be there.
Okay, I like that, Chris. As long as we don't go into a recession, what's the likelihood right now of the U.S. going into a recession in the next 5 years?
Oh, I think in the next 5 years, it's probably more than 50-50. But the market doesn't care about that as much as it cares about the next 12 months. So if we can see our companies on their way to growing 5, 10, or even 20% for some of these tech companies, we would stay invested there and we'd continue to ride the escalator upward.
Isn't it crazy that they don't care about what happens 5 years on and what would happen in the next 12 months? Again, we don't know exactly what's priced in terms of Fed normalization.
I guess. I mean, crazy like a fox in a wave, Francine, because what we care about is absolute return over that 5 years. So we don't want to sit out now if we're going to have a recession in 3 years. So I think what we do is we do the 5-year projections, but as you know, 5-year projections aren't really worth much. 1-year projections are much easier to do, and we can bank on those much more strongly.